I'm Summer from Happy Family Fireworks, Riakeo Fireworks. We are the direct factory of making top quality cakes. Today, I would like to introduce one of our birth 1000 finally cake for you. It is Max Node number 1 and it's a color box with 2 pieces, 500 gram cake. Take a look. So you can shoot them together with a V shape, and you can see the effects is really good. It's big comment, Thai gold coconut tail to nishiki with big neo colors. Really is, if you only want to buy one, this one is your choice. It's your great choice, and you will never regret to buying this item. So let's take a look of the video together. I'm Summer. See you next time. Bye bye.